Recently, I have been using quotes in the beginning of my videos, but this time, this topic doesn't need any quotes to introduce it. Nebula are hands down the most beautiful things in the universe, and I've probably got the three most beautiful objects in the universe. Hey guys, Orion here, welcome back and let's get into it. So, what is a nebula? What nebula means? Nebula comes from the Latin word nebula. It means mist slash fog slash gas, and we use it because nebula are gas. They're usually hydrogen and ionized gas all clumped up into clouds. And they're created through either gases clumping up clouds to create the nebula, or they're created through supernova nebulas in this video, which we'll get to in a moment. So new stars form from the nebula because the gas starts to rotate and crash into each other, which gives it enough room for the star to form. So the first person to discover a nebula was a Persian astronomer, Abd al-Rahman al-Sufi, who wrote about the Ajara galaxy. And now there were other people who were important in creating nebulas, but officially he's the first person who discovered it. So how can we see a nebula? Some nebula are available to see on Earth. One will include the Orion Nebula, but it's really small. And most nebulas are visible through telescopes, but they're hard to find because they're really small, since most of them are far away, even though they're very... Make sure to like and subscribe if you've enjoyed the video so far. So here, let's get into the three nebula that I wanted to share with you. And the first one is the Crab Nebula. Now the Crab Nebula formed from a supernova about 1,000 years ago, and this supernova was noted down by Chinese astronomers. And the Crab Nebula has a neutron star in the middle, and it was formed through a supernova. So the second nebula I want to actually talk about is the Pillars of Creation. Now this is a part of a bigger nebula called the Eagle Nebula, but this nebula is one of the most beautiful things ever. 3 pillars going up, and it was nicknamed Pillars of Creation despite it being part of another nebula, so it's really like a mini nebula. The third and final nebula I wanted to share with you is the Butterfly Nebula. Now this was caused through stellar winds pushing out the gas, which makes it look very... But the Butterfly Nebula is one of the most beautiful nebula ever. It genuinely resembles a butterfly. What more could you ask for? Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe and like and comment down to see more videos like this. See ya!